Today I think we accomplished 100% of the mission. We found the toughest condition we were expecting, and the helicopter will be the only means to access the turbine with such condition. Helicopter has been used for more than 10 years within the offshore wind segment, but so far we have been transporting and hoisting people above fixed turbine, meaning they are grounded to the seabed. And today the new technology is appearing due to the distance from shore. They are going to use floating turbine, and we want to demonstrate the capability of the helicopter above the floating turbine. All the community is behind us looking at what we are going to do. We have been lucky to partner with Equinor, with the first one having really offshore wind turbine in service in the world. We have used the two most experienced pilots in the world as well from HTM and KN to perform this trade.
We had 30 knots of wind, we had 5.5 meters of wave height, and the swell also of 5 meters. So the conditions are on the upper edge of what is possible, but we could prove that we can transport or that we can position the technicians on the turbine without any danger. It's safe and it's doable, and so we are looking forward to do that commercially also on other projects.
On good position, boom is swinging out, Pax is outside the cabin, forward one, on forward stop, on safety is rechecked, on cable is running, below the skids to the ground, 2, 1, on the ground, hook is in contact, hook is off.
It was a very important trial for us to see if it's safely possible to deploy technicians to floating turbines in a harsh environment. I have a marine background, so from a marine side it would not have been possible to deploy technicians today. The helicopter is definitely add on to our logistics toolbox to safely deploy technicians to a floating wind farm in a harsh environment.
The mission today was to see how the turbine behaves in relation to hoisting on the turbine with positioning the helicopter and maintaining position even though the turbine has movements due to the sea and the waves. We managed to position the helicopter and maintain the position of the helicopter stable over the turbine, and we did trials with the hoisting, and we found it possible and safe to hoist to the turbine. Using facilitating helicopters for the transport of technicians and equipment to and from offshore turbines is a big benefit due to the quick response, and we can fly in quite harsh conditions, so we have very limited of days we cannot access the turbine.
Next step, and it was as well the purpose of the mission today, was to collect data and to record video in order to analyze all of this, in order to develop the right standard operating procedure to industrialize hoisting above floating turbine.